Greetings, my name is Dylan Yolmo. I'm from third year Culinary Academy of India. My concept is about molecular gastronomy. Now, what is molecular gastronomy? Molecular gastronomy is the form of cooking in which the chefs bring out essentially what is naturally present in the food, thus celebrating the food in its primal form. Chemicals already existing in the food like any other in this universe comprised of chemicals. In molecular gastronomy, what the chefs do is use these chemicals present in the particular food in its purest form to enhance the overall quality, palatability and appearance of the food. Here the modus operandi is to glorify the ingredients in all the virtue of their latent qualities, meaning keeping the elemental flavor of the item in mind. The goal is to enhance it by giving it different textures, forms and bringing more flavors to it. So these are my chemical components which I'm going to use in my food, and as you can see there is xanthana, algin, gluco, citrus, etc., which I'm going to use for jellification, spherification, etc., etc. And out here I'm going to place my caviars, my spears, my spaghetti, my dust, snow. These are going to be placed all here. So I've used different techniques to to my food, and I have jellification, I have purification, and I've also made a air sponge. And these are my caviars which I use. These are dehydrated dusts that I made, and with the help of these chemicals I made all these.